Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna build a little stylized scene, but water is the main focus. Now I've made a video on how to make this cool water, and when you put something in it, the water automatically puts a white border around your object, which is super cool, and it's just a nice touch for maps. However, someone just released this, and it's pretty much a free particle pack for water. I mean, you could put this, say we'll put this like right here, and then we put a small rock up here. Let me kind of sink this into the water. Something like that. And as you can see, of course this isn't centered. There you go. But as you can see, things coming out the side looks very, very nice. And I guess depending what angle, you'll get light or not. Maybe if we sink this under? Yeah, I guess it's pretty much the same either way. Anyways, this free particle pack came out, and it's just these two things. We're going to make a scene with both of those. I have a couple other tips that I'm going to be showing you guys about water as well. And first things first, I'll kind of rerun through this. So to make this water that automatically has the white outline, it is 4 mesh parts. They're all the exact same parts, as you can see, just stacked on top of each other. And the most important thing is the top mesh has to have something in it called surface appearance. That's what kind of sells the effect. If I delete it, the water looks like this. That's not good. So here's surface appearance, and then the one right below it, you can pick any colors you want, by the way. I will go through these so you can see my properties and what I like, but the next one has the material on it, or like the texture for the water, which most people just use this one. It's in a free pack on the toolbox, so yeah, very easy. Up next, we have a bit darker of a layer. This one's just black, smooth plastic, 0.7 transparency, and this one is neon, earth blue, and 0.5 transparency. So that's how you make the water. Now, let's go ahead, let's take this stuff, let's put it over here. I'm gonna take all this stuff actually and put it over there, and I'm gonna draw out some sand around this this little island thing, because sand makes everything better. Spawn pad like right there, because why not? Oh man, it's been a long time since I've opened up this terrain editor. All right, so edit, we want to add, and we want sand. There we go. Let me just kind of paint this on. I'm gonna just kind of do, oh gosh, I just realized I have to actually follow this shape so it looks right, like looks legit. All right, I kind of want to cut that off. Like, I don't think it needs to be that massive, so we'll go something like this. Let me make sure I got all these little cracks and crevices filled in, which is easily the worst part about the terrain tool. Like, I feel like I'm always missing a spot, or there's always a dent in it. But hey, today's video isn't let's rant on the terrain tool. It's how to build some cool water. All right, so we have our sand here, looking pretty all right. I guess we'll add like a little island in the middle as well, something like that. Just because why not? Now we're going to get out of this. Let's grab our water part. I am going to center this and just try to make it so it's not sticking out on any sides, because that's kind of gross. Bring this up a little bit. Maybe something like that looks pretty good. And yeah, I guess I'm going to draw a little more sand just to cover up the stick parts of this water. Did I say stick? I don't know why that word came to mind. All right, so there we go. Now, since this is going to be a stylized scene, we're also going to open up something called Material Manager, which is right here. Beautiful. Let's go to ground sand, add a variant, stylized sand. This part's not really important, but you know. All right, now that I have the color, oh, I forgot roughness. Yo, edit. I didn't know you could scroll now. All right, now that I have everything set on, I'm gonna click set overdrive and just look at this, guys. Boom, pretty cool. The color is a bit dark, I'd have to say, but we can fix this. So let's go to Material Manager, edit this. I'm gonna take the color one off. All right, now we have something like this, and we can edit that with our properties in terrain, material colors, and then we'll go to sand right here. And as you can see, we can now edit the color. So of course we do want a sandy color. I personally like very vibrant and bright stuff, so I'll go for this for now. It might change. All right, so now we have the gist of everything. We got some sand, we got some water, and we got a little island. So up next, let's grab some rocks to put into the water and then start working with these little particles over here. I'm gonna grab the bigger rock, this one, and this one. The main point of this build is definitely just showing off some cool water tricks and this cool pack that was just sent to me by a fan on Discord, so super appreciative. They didn't make it, but they sent it to me and said to check it out. So here we are. Also, if you guys have anything that you have found that's like an open sourced model or open sourced particles, plugins, anything that you found that you're just like, yo, I couldn't live without this, hit your boy up on Discord, guys. I'd love to make a video showing other builders the secrets. Now, we're going to take these particles right here, and I'm just going to add them around our objects that we have in the water. As you can see, this rock is too big for this. Well, honestly, it's not that bad, but we should change the size. All right, I think that's looking pretty good for that one. I should probably go even bigger. All right, our size is a number sequence. Okay, it just goes from small to big. So let's just raise this up and raise this up. Let's kind of look what we're looking at. Yeah, that's decent. I kind of like the over-exaggerated look. So we'll go something like that for now. I'm going to paste these to every other rock. There we go. So now we have these, and if we just look at this, like we have a little bit of movement, which is super cool. We do have this other particle that is very faint, and I don't know where it went. Did I put it on the sand? Here it is, guys. I almost lost it, but it's back. Let's go. So I don't overly know what this one's for. I think you just kind of put it, place it. You could also put it on rocks and stuff like that, but I think it's more or less just like an extra bit of detail that you can add into your builds. Kind of wherever you want, just a little more life. So I'm going to put it kind of randomly throughout my water here. Just something like that. And now as you can see, there is movement in the water, which is very, very cool. Up next, we need to place some trees. All right, guys. So if I had a ton more time to spend, I definitely could. There's a lot more things you could do to make water look awesome, like particles coming out of it, like sparkles and stuff like that. This waterfall is made by just a plugin called Waterfall Generator, and then I just changed the texture to lines instead of what it currently was. How that plugin works, let me find it. Roblox, please rework all of this up here. It's just kind of oof. Here it is, guys. All you do is click on it. You pick what type of waterfall you want. I usually go cartoon or subtle. We'll go subtle for now. You click where you want it to start, and you click where you want it to end, and there you go. You have a waterfall, and you can just change the textures of those. I will delete that. And also, there is another plugin called Outline Water. If you have a part like this, you can go ahead, click on this, boom, and then select number of parts to transform into water. We're going to click this, and you can pick cartoon or realistic. If you pick cartoon, it does give you the water that I have over there, just in case you don't feel like making it yourself. But I'll have the Waterfall Generator and the Outline Water plugin linked down below in the description if you guys want to make awesome water scenes like this. I'll also have that model linked down below that has these water particles in it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Hopefully it does help you out. And if you did enjoy, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.